Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install WordPress on Windows 10 with the help of WAMP localhost server. So, the first thing you need to do, you need to go to your Google search and search for WAMP over here. Or you can also search for WampServer, and the first thing you will see this link. You can open this link or you can go with the second link if you will find SourceForge link over here. I'm going with this one. Once you click on this, you will end up over here. Scroll down until you see this one. If you have 32 bits of computer, you can go with this one. But most of the people has 64-bit nowadays. So I think you might have 64-bit as well. So you just need to click on this option. This might pop up. And what you need to click on, just click on, you can direct download it from over here. So you can see that this shown over here. You just need to click on this, and once it's done, you can start downloading this. Once you click on this, obviously I have already downloaded it, and you can see at the top right corner, this is how much big the file is, 320 MB, and I have recently installed it. So I'm going to open this up, and this is how it looks like. So once you install this, open this setup, click on run, and once you click on run, you might see something like you need permission to go ahead and access your setup. So obviously you need to click on yes. Once you click on yes, you will end up over here. Select your language. Okay. Click on the agreement. Click on next. And after that, if you want to read this, you can also read this if you want. And after that, click on next. Once you click on next, you will see something like this. And obviously we are going to install this in our C directory. Make sure to remember wherever you are going to install this because we would need to go back later on in this video. So make sure, I would say, go ahead and install this into your C drive. No need to change your directory and click on next. And after that, you need to wait for a while until it's done. So let's wait for a while at the end of this loading screen. So while it's installing in our background, what you can do, go ahead and search for WordPress.org and you will end up over here. At the top right corner, you will find Get WordPress, or here you can see click on Get WordPress. And once you click on that, you will end up over here. You can install WordPress from over here as well, because obviously we are going to use this, right? So make sure to install this or download this from over here. And it might be maybe 12 MB. So I have already installed this. So once we will install WAMP, we are going to extract WordPress into the directory where we already installed WAMP localhost server. So let's do it. So as you can see, I have installed my WAMP over here. So I'm going to open this up. Once you click on that, this is how it's going to look like. Let's wait for a while until it's going to be done. These might happen, so no need to, think of what's going on. So once it's done, let's wait for a while, and whichever the default browser you are using, go ahead and open that up. Once you open that, for me, it's Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to write that at the URL localhost. You just need to write localhost. And once you write that, you will end up over here. So that means that WAMP already started working on your the browser you have already chosen. So now what you are going to do, you can see that it is working now. And you can also open your PHP admin as well by searching, localhost/phpMyAdmin. At the top, you can see that. Once you search that, you will end up over here and you would need username and password. So how you can find that? To log in, you just need to write root on your username. You don't need to write any password. And after that, click on go. Once you click on go, you will end up over here and you can access PHPAdmin. So this is how you can get access to your PHPMyAdmin. And if I go back, you will see that if I click on again, you don't need to write again and again because you have already logged in. Now what? I'm going to open my WordPress where I have already installed or downloaded from the website. So this is where I have already downloaded. And what we are going to do, we are going to extract this where I have already installed WampServer in my local disk, right? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on extract here. And as you can see, I have also opened C drive on the right side. And this is what I have extracted from this WordPress, right? What we are going to do, we are going to go ahead and click on WAMP 64 in our C drive where we installed this, right? Go ahead and click on that. Find www folder like this one. Click on this. And here we are going to paste this extracted WordPress file. So this is very easy. So far, so good, right? So we have just extracted the WordPress file in the WAMP servers. So once it's done, what we are going to do, we are going to close this, and now we are going to open that again. Go ahead and go back to that page again and refresh this, and you can see that we have installed the WordPress over here. This is the project which we recently added. So from now on, it's very easy. Obviously, we have added our WordPress over here. So if I show you over here, this is the WordPress and this is the WordPress over here as well. Now, if you name anything on this folder, obviously this will change as well. You just need to change over here, and after that come back on this page and refresh this page. So this will change. Right now I'm just going with the WordPress, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this, only this one, and what we are going to do, we are going to search after localhost / and paste that WordPress over here. What would happen that it would take me over here, and now we are going to create our WordPress through WampServer. This is very easy so far. Click on continue. After that, click on let's go. And here we are going to name our database over here. So I'm just going to write WordPress, and we have username, password, localhost. If you want to add that, you can also do that. I'm just going to write root. But before you go ahead and click on submit, what you are going to do, you are going to go back to your PHP admin, and here you are going to create a database. You just need to click on database, name your database, and after this select this one and click on create. Once you create that, you can see on the left side we have created a database. So whatever we are going to work on that WordPress will end up over here, right? So once you done that, so once you click on submit, after that you will see something like this, and now it's very easy. Name your title of your site title. Obviously I'm just going to write demo, and here your username over here. So I'm just going to write pro learner. You just need to name your password and email. Make sure to save all of this and click on install WordPress. Once you click on install WordPress, it would take you to that page and where you are going to log in with your username and your password. I have already created this, so I'm not going to fill this out. And this is how you are going to use WAMP servers for your to install WordPress in your Windows 10. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.